In this video we will talk about the best types of juices for weight loss. Smoothies can be a quick and convenient way to squeeze out some extra nutrients in your diet and promote weight loss. Here are the best juices for weight loss. 1. Celery juice. Celery juice is low in calories and high in water, which may be beneficial for weight loss. It is also rich in anti-inflammatory antioxidants and plant compounds. When to take it to get the best results? First thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and then wait 20-30 minutes before drinking anything else. How much celery juice should you drink? Drink about 2 cups or half a liter of glass. If you feel you cannot handle 2 cups at first, start with 1 cup and gradually increase the amount. Try the recipe and tell me your opinions in the comments. 2. Beet juice. Beet juice is low in calories and rich in nutrients and dietary nitrates, which can enhance athletic performance by dilating blood vessels. There are many benefits of this juice, among them: 1. Helps lower blood pressure. 2. It improves muscle strength in people with heart failure. 3. It might slow the progression of dementia. 4. It helps you maintain a healthy weight. 5. It may prevent cancer. The way to prepare it is easy and simple. 2 medium beets. 1 apple, peeled and seeded. 3 medium peeled carrots. Try the recipe and tell me your opinions in the comments. 3. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is an antioxidant and low-calorie beverage that may help manage blood sugar. It is also a very beneficial juice for the health of the body, and among the benefits: 1. Cancer prevention. 2. It reduces inflammation in the intestine and improves digestion. 3. Prevention of Alzheimer's disease. 4. Preventing inflammation that contributes to arthritis and cartilage damage. 5. One of the most beneficial types of juices for heart health. How to prepare it? Add 2 cups of pomegranate seeds to a blender for 5-10 seconds. Pour the juice into a colander. Add 1 cup of water or 1 cup of water. Add a pinch of salt and sugar. Try the recipe and tell me your opinions in the comments. 4. Green vegetable juice. Made from green leafy vegetables, green juices are high in fiber and low in sugar. Eating more fruits and vegetables may be associated with reduced body weight, reduced risk of weight gain and increased fat. The components of this juice: 2 stalks of celery, chopped. 1 small cucumber, chopped. 2 cabbage leaves. 1 bunch spinach. 1 handful of fresh parsley or cilantro. 1 peeled lemon. 1 apple, seeded and chopped. 2 teaspoons of chia seeds. Preparation method: if using a juicer, add all of the ingredients listed above, except for the chia seeds, to the juicer and juice. Stir the chia seeds before drinking. If using a blender, add all of the above ingredients to the blender with 1 cup of chilled water. Add dyes if desired. Even a smooth blend. If no pulp is needed, filter the juice through a fine mesh strainer before drinking. Try the recipe and tell me your opinions in the comments. 5. Watermelon juice. Watermelon juice is low in calories and high in water, which may support weight management. How to prepare it? Cut the watermelon in half. Place the sweet melon slices in a blender, discarding the skin. Mix watermelon. This takes more than a minute. For extra flavor, squeeze the juice of a small lemon into a blender and blend for a few seconds. If your melon is pulp or seed, pour the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a jug. If not, you can pour it directly into cups full of ice. Try the recipe and tell your opinions in the comments. 6. Lemon juice and green ginger. Lemon juice and green ginger feature several nutritious ingredients that can help promote feelings of fullness, support metabolism and reduce appetite. It is especially rich in vitamin C and has been shown to boost the immune system and fight disease. The ingredients I used in this recipe include the following: celery, cucumber, lemon, fresh ginger, green apple. Try the recipe and tell me your opinions in the comments. We will be finished today, and the next video we will talk about examples of the best healthy and delicious appetizers. If you like the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, press button at the bell to reach you all new